What's up guys, Creeperslayer here, and sorry I took a while to get this video out, but at least I've got it out for Spooktober. But I hope you guys enjoy watching Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and let's get straight into the video.
Slow.
Oh, I think the escape point is the vehicle in this one. We should pay attention to what pops up, basically. Because I think this one's the car, and I think that's out front or somewhere.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be like Friday the 13th, where you have a car you can escape in, or you can escape on with something else too.
Oh, it's night time.
Seems they got some fighting them after all.
Well, I've spawned next to the exit where I am, so...
I've spawned out front again. I need to turn up the brightness. That's one thing we're going to do after playing this a bit more. 'Cause my brightness is not very high.
That's the exit, electrified. I'm gonna run by you.
Well, I've got blood, a lot of it. I think if you get, I think if you get filled up blood, it tells you where Grandpa is anyway. Sometimes I will have it while I'm hurting someone, and I will have it Grandpa glow yellow.
I just had the gate, like, hit me while it was closing.
Yeah, it did the same to me with the door.
They don't like us very much.
I wonder where Grandpa is.
Use your hearing thing. Oh, hi.
Hi, I don't have hearing. Footsteps.
Oh, I see him. You just went... Oh, I see him.
Where?
You know the shed you just ran by? Here, he's around here.
What, he's in the shed or around it? Oh, so he's in its...
No, he's outside.
So he's in the spot he was in last time then. Okay, got it. Yeah, he was.
Yeah, same spot.
You looking better already. Now help us.
I'm probably annoying Leatherface running past these fucking like chickens. They most likely were underground. So that's where they were last time.
That's where they'll be.
Only one way we're gonna find out. But he's awake. Does that mean someone's nearby?
Yep. Someone's nearby.
Oh, Grandpa.
Grandpa yelled and I didn't see no one. Or it's just me because I'm walking past these bloody chickens. But I'm going underground. You stay up ground. Up.
Oh, you poor little thing.
Oh, got a friend up there. Do you want me to come and join?
Yeah, I think I should be good. I've whacked him a lot.
I'm coming up just in case because there's no one down there right now.
Hello there.
Hi! I like how we're all here.
Mike! You think you can't run us, huh?
You got it. Oh, give the blood to Grandpa. I think your character's way too into it. Your character is way too into this.
Oh, Grandpa.
Thanks, Grandpa! Bye! They're in the house. Next to Grandpa. I think they've gone outside the house now. They're outside.
What?
I can't get to them because I don't know how to get out of this bloody building. And I just lagged. Right.
You sure?
Yes. They came outside. Because I'm closing the door, the thing they crawled through. They might have escaped.
I'll find you. Don't you worry about
No, I've
that.
not seen any escapes yet.
Oh, hello.
Nah. Got nothing.
He went in the bushes. And he probably went down here. Think like a psychopath, find out like a psychopath. If not, he's back up there. But I'm gonna use my tracking.
So I think someone just disconnected anyway.
He didn't come down here, there's no tracks. He didn't come down here.
Oh, so basically you're the tracker.
But he definitely came into these bushes.
Go ahead and hide.
I just fed Grandpa. My God, you are a greedy boy. Greedy Grandpa. Oh shit. We're one more so we basically need one more.
And I have
I
found
don't
him!
think-
No! I ran out of stamina! Yes!
Got him.
You got him. I used my tracking and I tracked his footsteps to him. Oh, we got one more female. Woo! I'm gonna feed. Oh, I can't feed Grandpa. Oh, yeah, no, okay.
Not quite yet.
Grandpa. I've got a lot of young'uns for him. I think he's maxed out.
Oh, hello, there's tracks.
I think he's fully leveled up now. Wait, is this an exit?
Found tracks. They're in that house there you found the last person, the last time we were here. Yeah, they're at this car!
Don't let him touch that car.
You say that. They've gone round, they're running round, they're running round! They're running off. They've gone into the bushes. My stamina's gone, so I can't keep an eye on them.
What, these bushes?
Where the chicken just got activated!
You got him?
They've gotta be one more hit. I think they just curled over and died. Or they fell over. Don't nick the kill from me! You just nicked the kill from me, you asshole!
That was mine.
I just...
Seems they got some fight.
Don't see the light before this is over. My God. Say, Sissy's just so into this shit.
That's what I mean, she is
so-
too into this shit.
Oh, I've got the point. I can poison
Go ahead and
things
hide.
3 times.
It
Nice.
ain't gonna matter.
Oh, that's the last game I could do as well.
Wow, that fucking woke him up quick, haven't I? I see 2 of them. One is
Yeah, I see.
directly next to Grandpa.
How the hell did those kids find us?
I don't know where Grandpa is.
Where it was last time. Same place. I think.
Really?
Yes. And if you find these things that look like trapdoors, close them. It
Sure.
limits down them being able to escape us.
Is they already closed?
Some are.
Oh, I see.
Some
Grandpa.
aren't.
Time to play.
I don't know where they are. Oh, they're underground.
Yeah. Oh, that's you. That's me.
Damn it, Johnny. Get your head straight.
Damn it, Johnny. Oh, I hear from you.
If I were you, I'd go and check on Grandpa. We're gonna need his help.
Well, I say you check inside the building while I go and feed Grandpa.
Leatherface is already doing that.
Get your fill, old man. Now, where did you go? Not quite yet. I'll find you. Don't you worry about that.
That's me.
Better wait a minute. Where'd y'all run off to?
Doesn't do anything.
I have no idea. Sometimes.
Hmm. He found someone?
They're at the Grandpa. They're at Grandpa. They're at Grandpa. They're at Grandpa. Because there were 2. I'm after 1.
Yeah, he's in danger.
Yeah, he's at Grandpa. I'm killing the other guy.
Just die, asshole!
How did
Where's
he
Leatherface?
stun me? Mate, Leatherface is here! I'm going to Grandpa just in case to go back to him.
Aw, you leaving so soon?
Leatherface! You should have focused on him instead of allowing him to stun me!
I attacked him in the well. I managed to get him. I hit him in the well. He got away.
We don't
though.
want him in the wow. That means we have to go downstairs to get them. They'll come up with Grandpa. There's a way downstairs near Grandpa. Go to Grandpa and go down.
Stand there looking pretty.
Because that's where they'll come up by. Oh no, go the opposite direction to Grandpa. Let's go, Leatherface. You go that way, I'll go this way. Oh, it sounds like Leatherface got one.
I hear him.
Yeah, one's down.
Yeah, he does.
I'm going up to Grandpa to feed him. Oh, one's been activating a chicken there, Grandpa.
Now, let's see.
He's basically playing.
Off to.
Yeah, he's playing roundabouts with me.
Sissy, what the hell are you waiting on? Get to it.
Say that, say that, say that, say
Hit
that.
him!
I don't know where he went. I actually can't see him.
He's in the container.
He's coming your way, it's coming your way, it's coming your way. It's coming your way. He's right off this way, you blind bastard. I don't know if he went down or I think he went down. I think he went down the water, went down the well. He's gonna go up this side if
Did
he.
he?
Yeah, I saw him run down, run and jump.
They always try to hide. It's always the same game. You know, believing like that ain't gonna help your cause.
Oh, there's one coming
got
up to
someone.
Grandpa. Yeah, I'm coming up. I'm on my way.
I'm out of breath.
She's jumping in the well too.
Yeah, she jumped in the well, but she took a lot of damage. Ah! Dang it!
Careful, I see her.
Time to die!
Got her.
You got her?
Yep, she's dead. Oh, slit her throat. Oh! Brutal! I like it. There's another one down.
Two, so...
I'm staying down there in case Grandpa screams and it's down here. I don't see anyone down here.
Don't hear anything. I'm gonna go to the front.
Yeah. Oh, cracks.
Ain't no tracks here.
Oh, the thing cooled down. Oh well, I'm gonna. They are definitely
They're at
down
Grandpa.
there too. Yeah, there's also some down there too. I'm not gonna lie. No, they're not because Leatherface is here.
Well, Grandpa was in danger, so they were where he was.
Oh, me and Leatherface are here. Stop screaming so I can give you food. Appa! Take your blood!
You looking better already. Now help us.
I think one
I love
man
how we
passed
just
me
sweet
while I
talk.
was with Grandpa, by the way. I heard running. Unless that was fucking you. I think they're either escaping or they're somewhere down here. Face! Do you mind not opening the door, closing the door on my face? I'm supposed to be helping you, you fucker. I don't see no tracks. What happens if you get Grandpa? Oh,
I don't know.
oh, hello.
Bye, have a great time.
Someone's escaping.
Oh, yeah. The downstairs has got the door open, so one of the escapes are down here. Because I saw them escape when I got here.
They're gonna get away.
I don't see anyone else here yet. The door's closed again.
But I don't know, he just escaped and disconnected. I don't know why.
He escaped and then they'll leave when they have escaped. Was that him yelling? Hi! She's downstairs.
This is pointless, you know. Quit stalling.
She's downstairs. I'm on my own and she's about to stun my ass. Yep, she's gonna stun me. Fuck.
Leatherface is down there though.
Yeah, but he ain't nowhere near me now, is he? Or I would be screaming, Leatherface, do your fucking job. He is legit.
Well,
we
I'm
are
not
not
dead.
that close. We are really close to the escape room. She can easily escape.
By the sounds of it.
You can't see me.
Oh. For fuck's sake, I hate this stunning mechanism, because even if you spam A as a killer, they stun you anyway.
They're gonna escape, aren't they?
You're just delaying the inevitable.
I legit don't know where the fuck they've gone now. So they have a likelihood of escaping. So would you... Ah, there we go. Footprints. I can use that now. So she went through here. Come back here. I ain't got much stamina. She's coming out where Grandpa is. She came out where Grandpa is. Yep, she's gone out where Grandpa is. Going into the building.
Open the door. Come on, come on, come on.
She's where the crate is. She's got into the crate.
She's on the,
And
where
she's
the trainer is.
Her dumbass went into the crate, so I got easily to get her done. Again, brutal. Slitting her throat, man.
She screwed herself over.
Yeah, she screwed herself over by going in the crate. Fighting dice! Why am I always out the front?
Seems they got some fighting them after all.
I hate being out of front.
How the hell did those kids find us?
I'm not gonna lie though.
I get the.
I am actually loving this game. I wasn't
You're just getting
expecting
into
it.
that.
I wasn't expecting it to be this fun. I'll be honest. I got trapped on the fucking door.
Keep you on your toes.
I'm disabling this generator.
Try though.
Did I just call a chicken a sweetie? Okay, I've heard it all now. Damn. Unlocking this. With my keys. Ah!
Do you know technically you're not even using the keys on them? Because the way it locks, it's just a flip down thing.
I poisoned that container thing. What they hit.
I don't know where Grandpa is. He's in
I
a
don't know.
different spot again.
Is he?
Yeah.
I think we really. How many maps are in this game? 3, 4.
I think that normally for a game like this they start off with like either 3. Because I don't even think it's that actually. Because I haven't seen more than
I wouldn't know.
a few. We'll play it off screen and find out. Where the
Oh,
fuck
that's
is
you. I thought you
Grandpa?
were a survivor.
I'm trying to find Grandpa.
I don't know where.
He's in the house.
Get back to the house.
Hi! One's running outside the house. Oh, I was hoping you were out there. Go for it, go for it, go for it. Oh, she's in. Wow! You went the wrong way!
No, I got him.
No, you haven't. Well, now you have, but you should have followed them from behind. They're gonna go up. They're gonna go down. No, oh, no, they didn't.
Time to play.
They're gonna go through. I can't keep up with them. Which way are they gonna go? One in the house. I'm gonna go to the one in the house. There's two near you now.
Get your fill.
I'm just quickly feeding Grandpa. So might as well get him fed while I'm here. Annoyingly, there's two now on you.
Come on.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it! Damn it!
I'm out of stamina.
I can't get him. They went into that barn. And actually, you want to keep the gate closed.
I'll find you.
Are they still in there?
Don't you worry about that.
Yeah, well, it doesn't come out here. You should have followed them through the area.
Oh, that's right. Blame me.
No, because it comes out at the front. It's the
Oh,
reason
I
why
see
I'm
'em.
saying it. It comes out at the front too.
Here they come.
Where?
They're running. Can't. Oh, I'm gonna run out of stamina. Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah.
No, there's three of them.
I'm
Oh, there's
gonna
fucking three of them.
lock that door. I'm coming to you. Where the fuck you are?
Yeah, they're just fucking with us at this point.
Wherever the fuck you are. Oh yeah, chainsaw twat.
Now, where did you go?
I don't even know where you guys are. Oh, you are. Know where that exit is, though. Hello there. She's dead.
Don't mind me.
The other guy's right next to me and I can't get him because I'm in the animation.
It ain't gonna matter.
Damn. Where's Leatherface?
At a house for some fucking reason.
Damn it. How many got away?
He's
One?
gone through! Bro, he's still here!
I see him.
Do you? Do you?
There he is.
Leatherface, I can hear him coming. I ran out of stamina, keep on him.
I guess I can't save you after all.
You use a razor blade that you use to cut your face. I don't care, we got two, they escaped with the other one escaped.
We'll take that.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed Texas Chainsaw Massacre. If you want to visit my mate Venny, their description is down below, along with my social medias. Hit that like button, share, bell icon and subscribe. It will help me a lot out. And I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and peace.